So I have not even seen this sports bar in person yet either. I'm very happy with this design. Big tubing, more of that industrial look. Very nice. As you can see, really completes that tub. Way better having a sports bar. Hey guys, as you can see, we have a container unloading here today. We are in Dandenong South at a Hammer 4x4 warehouse and fitting bays. It's a chaos at the moment. We organize all our stock. We do have something special though. We are test fitting our new sports bar range, the Spectre series. Come inside, let's have a look. So I have not even seen this sports bar in person yet either, but we are using our company Next Gen Ranger. We had originally had the Warrior Series sports bar on here, and we just ripped it off and we're starting to put a new one on. So the Warrior sports bar definitely is removed. It's very blank here, and damn, this looks good. Oof, come have a look. We do have the Hammer writing here, the Hammer H logo. At the back, we do have that logo as well, looking very premium. We do have the work lights in the back, and it does have a slot here, so they will be fitting that reverse light and brake light as well.
So you see this white glass over here is actually changed to be fully black. So from now on, the future sports bars, we're going to get all black, and it's going to look like this.
I'm very happy with this design. Looking way better than it did in the actual CAD drawings and reference photos. Yeah, this is gonna look good when it's actually on that car. So they're in the final stages of fitting this Spectre series sports bar onto this Next Gen Ranger. The only thing we need to actually fit this sports bar on is a clear side plastic rail, as you can see here, and we do have the Hammer auto roller fitted next to it over here. Yeah, it's looking nice.
When the shots go high or go low, step 10 toes down, you should bow. When the time goes, then you should go. I said go, get it down low. Girl, go get it. Yeah, I said go.
So I've just been told the new sports bar is on the car. Let's go check it out. So that's looking very nice. As you can see, really completes that tub. Way better having a sports bar like this Spectre series than having that plain tub. Let's get into some of the details. As you can see, we do have this plastic end piece here with the Hammer logo, which I really like. Also, we do have this carbon fiber feel both here and on the end here. Big tubing, more of that industrial look with all the bolts on all edges, the Hammer logo. So if you haven't noticed on the top over here, we have more of a wing design pattern, so it does flow nicely with the air, no sounds from the top of this. That top in the middle is actually a brake light and reverse light. Both edges on the sides are reversed. The middle is that brake light, nice and big. Now these lights here are actually reverse lights. They're work lights. You can wire it up to the Next Gen Rangers on the roof to be a work light if you like. And if you haven't noticed over here on the inside, wherever we do have a bolt, we have covered it up with a nice little plastic infill, just like that. There we have it. This is a Spectre series sports bar. It will be available for multiple different cars. Stay tuned and see when it's available for yours.